mwanchu mworigereria erio twendera kwimenya mange asobotko bwa bono magiga yo mugiro no kurubikanira ugukina kwiriguriria mafuta yense gutenenigwa asigika ekienge erikwena na ribaga guchichinkwana korekana Muranga Irungu Kang'ata nigarira yuguchie gusira bonchereri ya county yo abubanyora sare nene magiga y'ebintu byabo gusarigwa na bakagere gukora ukurubikana ase county yo Kang'ata nigo akwanira yo chingaki akorire taro guchia se baria gose atarire baria banyorire banyora ugwakwa okonene chingaki agikiri bororo baria baikerania ebikoro binga bunebyo.
Traders of Muranga are hard-working people who work many hours, who offer employment to young people who have no jobs. And the traders of Muranga were not responsible for the increment in fuel prices. Therefore, there was no reason at all to attack these facilities. These are private people who have also been impacted negatively by fuel increase. Also, we have seen several demonstrations in this town. We have never seen a demonstration where people damage private property. We believe those who did this are not Muranga people. Muranga people strongly believe in private enterprise. They believe in business. They respect business, and therefore, as a county, we shall dip into our emergency fund and support the traders who have been impacted. So far we have 5, those who have officially been registered as having been impacted by this. The compensation is small. It may not fully compensate their loss. It's just a token of the county saying sorry. Again, of course, you must understand the fund looks in the entire county. So therefore, we may not have all the funds to fully compensate each trader to the tune he or she was impacted. We have also told the traders to be reminded in the area MCA or also the town manager to ensure that is done. We will not say when, but we hope soonest because there are processes.
Kwa sasa mimi nilikuwa mtu mwenye alikuwa na kazi yake, but for now sina. Nimeenda hasara kubwa, sijui nitasimama aje tena, but as we speak today, governor wetu amekuja, amefika hapa. We hope venye ametuambia itakuwa, ametuambia atatuboost kidogo. Nashukuru. Loan kubwa, tulikuwa na loan kubwa, which nilikuwa na service ya Equity. But tuna hope for the best. Tunagoja tu. But naomba kama ni maandamano ikuwe peaceful juu mimi sioni venye hiyo ni mambo na mafuta imeingilia kwa biashara. Yenye tulikuwa tunalilia wananchi, but sasa mimi nalia.